Don't want to mislead. This is all you need. Be your everything.
Hey guys, and welcome back. So I'm going to start with this hydrating lip oil treatment.
More than just a thrill, not just in it for the...
I'm going to take the Dream palette and use the color Twinkle as my transition color. I'm going to use the filter concealer by ColourPop before I apply the transition color, and this will just make the colors pop on my lid. Going in with the QAF palette, I'm applying the color Louis on top of the transition color, and I applied the first color to neutralize this particular color. Next, I'm using the color Mischief, and I'm just applying that to my crease line. For my lid, I'm using CoverGirl's True Naked Roses palette, and I'm taking this deep plum and rose pink color. I'm applying the plum color to my outer lid and the rose color to my inner lid.
With you through it all, winter through the fall, you just make the call, yeah, I'm in it for it all. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it, you're pressing on my body, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it, you're pressing on my body, babe, let me tell you something.
And here I'm just making sure that everything is blended together.
I'm in it for the love.
Next, for priming, I'm using Rimmel's Stay Matte and Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I'm using the Photo Finish Primer to blur out my pores. The Rimmel is going to help keep me matte because I do have oily skin. Here I'm using Laura Mercier's translucent powder. I like to apply powder to my face before foundation because it controls my oils even more. You can skip this step. This is just what I like to do. For foundation, I'm using Milani's Conceal and Perfect, and this is a great foundation. It's medium to full coverage. For the most part, I like to apply my foundations with a flat top brush. I get better coverage that way. For highlighting, I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer, and this is just going to brighten the areas I want to be highlighted. And I'm just blending it out with a damp sponge. And I'm just going back in with Laura Mercier to set the concealer. And I'm going to set the rest of my face with the translucent powder and let it bake for a few minutes. I'm using L'Oreal Superstar eyeliner, and this is my favorite eyeliner. It's really easy to use. I'm using L'Oreal Telescopic mascara for my top lashes. And then I applied these lashes by Kiss in number 11 off camera. I'm sweeping and buffing the translucent powder into my skin with a kabuki brush. To contour, I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Dark Cocoa. I'm just going to buff it into my skin. To set the contour, I'm using Sephora Finish Powder, and I chose a powder 2 shades darker than my skin tone to match the contour cream. I also have the powder from Sephora that matches my skin tone, and I'm in love with these powders. I've hit pan on this one. It just really gives the perfect finish. I'm going to line my waterline with NYX eyeliner. For my bottom lashes, I'm using Bad Gal Bane by Benefit. For a more glam look, I'm using Fenty's highlighter, and I'm using the color Moscow Mule. To line my lips, I'm using the color Chestnut by MAC, and this lip liner is perfect with any color. I love a nude lip color, so I'm using MAC's lip cream in the color The Right Note. And I'm taking Fenty's lip gloss and applying it on top. So that completes this sultry glam look. I hope you all have enjoyed it. Thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will chat with you later.